Do you want to start your business right now? Here's how to quickly register your LLC in a matter of days rather than weeks. Let's go. Step 1. Choose your state wisely. If you're running a local business, register in your home state. But if you're online or remote, consider faster states like Delaware, Wyoming, or Nevada. They process LLCs lightning fast. Fastest states are Delaware, Wyoming, and Nevada. Step 2. Check name availability. Before you file anything, make sure your business name is available using your state's online name search tool. No delays, no surprises. Step 3. Prep info ahead of time. Have your info ready. You'll need your LLC name, registered agent's address, business address, member names, all prepped, so no time wasted. Step 4. Use a registered agent service. Don't slow yourself down. Hire a registered agent. They speed up legal docs, keep your address private, and many even file your LLC for you. Step 5. File online, not by mail. Now file your articles of organization and do it online. No mail, no waiting. Just upload, pay, and boom, you're in the system. Keep in mind that filing online will expedite your approval. Step 6. Pay for expedited processing. Want it even faster? Most states offer rush filing. Pay a little extra and your LLC could be approved the same day. Means in 24 hours or less. Step 7. Get your EIN instantly. Once you're filed, head to the IRS website and apply for an EIN. It's free, takes 10 minutes, and you get it instantly. Just go to the IRS EIN application page during business hours, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. The best part? You get your EIN immediately after submitting the form. Step 8. Use a professional formation company like Northwest Registered Agent. There are professional formation companies like Northwest that handle everything, from your LLC paperwork to getting your EIN, even acting as your registered agent. They know exactly what your state requires, and they make the process super smooth. Using a formation company can cut your setup time from days to just hours and eliminate all the confusion. I'll now show you how to start an LLC within just 5 minutes. I'll be showing you how you can go on and start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow along easily. Now that's out of the way, we can open the official website right here at northwestregisteredagent.com. Inside, you'll be prompted to go to the official main menu. You'll be able to see different options right here. Get registered agent, get a domain and website, and most importantly, we are here for the third option, which is start an LLC. So, go ahead and click this option. Then, you'll see this page where you can select your state. We're going to choose Nevada LLC. After that, we'll be prompted to a menu right here. You have your business name, and there are also additional instructions on how to start an LLC in Nevada. If you scroll down, there are many more guides. You'll see guides on naming your LLC and descriptions on how to do this. Since this is a DIY process, you can create your own free account using this process while creating your own LLC. Now, in this section, you can type your business name here. For example, I'm going to go to type.fiction. And since you're creating an LLC, so click on the LLC option. I'm then going to go ahead and click Next. Now, a registered agent is someone who takes care of the process and legal documents. I highly recommend using Northwest's provided registered agent service, which comes with all the perks like free limited mail forwarding, lifetime customer support, data privacy, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the option and click on Next. Now, for the duration process, always select the perpetual option. Here, for your business purpose, you can type your own, but usually you can click on Use Generic Business Purpose and click on Next. In this section, you'll need to select a principal address. The principal address is the main office from which a company primarily operates. Many people put their registered agent address here to keep their real address off the public record. To learn more, you can click on the icon. Here, you can put your business address, or you can simply use Northwest's provided business address for your own privacy protection. Next, in this section, we'll need to create a free account. Simply provide your name, email, and password to get started. I will provide some random information here just to show you guys how it's done. After that, your account will be created. You can see your Northwest dashboard here. Now, you've come to your Northwest dashboard here. Now, you have two options to file your LLC. You can select the complete package with just $500, which include the state fee of $425, or you can select the DIY package with paying only the state fee, which is $425. I highly recommend to select the complete package here, as it has some standard necessary option in just few dollar extra. I'll now select the option and click on Continue. Then, just answer this question, whether your business is member managed or manager managed. If you don't have a manager to make all your business decisions for you, just simply select on Member Managed option and click on Next. In this section, you'll provide your information since you're the member of your business. And to keep your address confidential, simply use our address, as it may become public. Same goes for the company's mailing address. Now, a filer is who files your LLC behalf of you. Select Continue to proceed. Now, you can see your registration process has been started. It's time to check the availability of your business name. Congrats! The name I used is available in the state of Nevada. Now, you can see all the information that has been filed by the Northwest registered agent. Looks really good to me, so I'll click on that. Now, to make the business filling process faster, you can simply upgrade the plan, but it will cost you $99. Since I don't need the upgrade plan, I'll click on Next. Now, for your online business, Northwest provides a 90-day free trial offer, including services like a free domain, a pre-built website, a business phone number, and more. I don't need those currently, so I'm going to the next option. Now, here are some important items you can select, and they will be added to your order. I'm selecting the BOI report, EIN tax ID, phone service, and the premium operating agreement. You can remove the items in the billing section you don't need. Here is the order summary. You can see the total payment, and just like all the others, it comes with the state fee as well. Northwest charges a $39 business formation fee, but it includes a 1-year free registered agent worth $199 and a corporation formation fee of $100. So, assuming you are happy with your current plan, you can go ahead and click Proceed, and then you'll need to fill out the payment information. So within a couple of minutes, we went through a process with Northwest registered agent and successfully created our own LLC. So if you have to choose between creating an LLC on your terms or creating an LLC with Northwest, I do believe it is a no-brainer to go with Northwest considering how much they offer for such a great price, as well as they do all the work for you without you needing to do much at all. Simply fill out a survey, choose the plan, and there you go. You have an LLC. And that's it. 8 steps, super simple, and you're an LLC in no time. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want help picking a state or agent.